Keto coffee cake. 1 box keto cake mix, 3 eggs, 2 tablespoons butter. Mix. Half cup of water and mix. Half cup of almond flour, 1/4 cup of keto brown sugar, 1 tablespoon cinnamon and salt. Mix. Vanilla, 2 tablespoons melted butter, and mix for your streusel. You're going to grease your baking pan, put in half of the keto cake mix. Then you're going to take half of your streusel, put it in the middle. You're going to top that with the remaining cake mix and the remaining streusel, 350 degrees for 33 to 35 minutes. You're then going to slice this. Please allow it to cool down 100%. Slice it, plate it up, enjoy.